Hello everyone. Due to the coronavirus event, our customer Kevin cannot come to our factory to check and inspect their machines. And so today, let me bring all of you to check the whole process of the video inspection for the machines. Okay, next, let us do it now.
Its components include complete machine, PLC computer control system, hydraulic pump station system, and full automatic post-cutting system. Equipment features color steel plate equipment, adopts advanced automatic control software to realize production information management. The automation control system of the whole unit adopts highly integrated network, which makes the performance of the auto. The Veneer forming machine consists of discharging, forming, post-forming and cutting. The products produced are flat and beautiful in appearance, uniform in temperature, high in strength and durable, and are widely used in the walls of industrial and civil buildings such as factories, warehouses, gymnasiums, exhibition halls and theaters.
If you think this video is helpful to you, please subscribe. Thank you. We will make some useful videos later. Thank you again for watching. Goodbye.